Hi, it's Catherine Best Gordon, and here is the intermediate warm-up for all of the training that we're going to be doing for the Freedom 40. You can use this anytime. If you're a beginner, you can use air swings or an even lighter kettlebell. If you're advanced, you're going to increase your kettlebell swings to 20 at a time, and that should get you going. All right, let's see. I'm going to do this at a 3/4 angle so you can see the swing. All right, so we begin with a joint activation. I'll go ahead and stand back here. Gentle rotation of the head in each direction. And turning from side to side. And lifting and lowering the shoulders. Separating the shoulders. Rolling back. And forward. Chest activation. Feet together, rotating the hips. And the knees. Get your balance, rotate the foot. Warming up the toes. Get your balance, rotate the foot. Warming up the toes. And back to the hands, elbows, and arms. Putting the brain in contact with the body. All right, let's do those swings. Stick ups for 8. Back to swings. Reverse flies. Back to swings. L's. Hang the elbows. Whoop, there's a pop. Kettlebell swings. W's. Whoops. Bending forward. There's the angle. And 10 more swings to make it 50. And there you have it. You can use this warm-up anytime you're getting ready to lift. You can also use this as a little active recovery on days off. Remember, if you want a more advanced warm-up, double the kettlebell swings. You'll end up with 100 swings. And raise the weight. If you're a beginner, do air swings instead, and do the same amount. I'm Catherine Best Gordon, and if you need a training program, you can contact me through cardiofreedom.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can get the rest of the training. Today is arm day. So I'm going to be demonstrating the arm training for today. Thanks for watching, and never skip a warm-up. Bye-bye.